Nissan Kick key fob battery replacement. In this video I'm gonna be showing how I replace the battery. On the back of your controller you have a small tab. Pull the tab down and remove the key inside the controller. I'm using a flathead screwdriver, just be careful not to damage the plastic. The orientation of the battery is key. Make sure you put attention to it. This is exactly what you should not be doing. If you're putting attention to what I'm doing, you can notice that I placed the battery wrong. This is a clear example of what you should not be doing when placing the battery. After I finished the video, I went on and tested, and guess what happened? It didn't work. So I had to do it all over again just because I placed the battery in the wrong position. So I had to go through the whole process, flip the battery, and then everything was working fine. Just make sure you put attention, again, to the battery orientation. Other than that, you should be good to go.